Hey guys, Lise here from Hustle and Groove. You are in for a treat today. If you are struggling to make consistent income in your online business right now, I'm going to share three different things that you can implement today. It's literally going to take you less than 30 minutes to take action on all the things I'm going to share that will increase your income over the next 30 days. But the one thing that you have to promise that you're going to do is to actually take action on what I'm going to be sharing. But hey, if we have never met, Lise here. I am an online business coach and strategist, and I'm here to help you create an online business that's easy, fun, and profitable for you. No BS, no fluff, just actionable strategies you can implement inside every single video. Okay, so let's start with number one, and that is to link to your low cost offers in your social media bio. I can almost guarantee that this is something that you're missing if you haven't done this. So have a look at all of your social media profiles, and it does depend on the platform. So you're going to have to tweak and adjust depending on what that is. But make sure that if you have a Facebook page or a Facebook profile, that your image showcases your current low cost offer, and then make sure you link straight to that. Make sure that your about links straight to that. It should be the number one thing that you're linking to. You've got an Instagram bio, then you get to link straight to that. And it depends, right? If you're using Linktree, then make sure it's the number one thing at the top. You always want to be thinking through, what is the priority for me right now? And if it is to actually make an income whilst also helping and serving your audience, right? And we're all going to agree that we're already doing that. We're not giving crappy, shitty products. We're actually helping our people. So, what you want to do is be like, okay, so if I want to increase my income, then let's prioritize that. And when I say low cost, I'm shooting for anything that's under $25, right? Something that's a no brainer, something that someone coming and checking out your profile is going to be like, this is exactly what I need right now. The pro tip to this is to also change this up every month so that you're switching things out because your audience isn't static. They are going to have different priorities. And so if you can change up the types of low cost offers that you're presenting, it will make your life a lot better. So that's number one. Number two is to create an intentional promotion plan. And what I mean by that is that you sit down at the beginning of every single month and you sit down and you go, okay, what is it that I want to promote this month? Now, it could be that you have a launch coming up, or you just want to run a flash sale. You want to run a birthday discount. Maybe it's your business anniversary, whatever, right? Maybe it's back to school, which is definitely coming up. Maybe it's a summer sale. Whatever it is, be intentional, right? If you don't know what you're promoting every single day, then how can you hope to have that consistent income coming in? So create a promotion plan. And it doesn't mean that you need to be constantly promoting, but you do need to have kind of a window of what that promotion looks like, and then mapping out the nurture content that goes in between. This should be going out both on email and your social media, depending on how active you are on there. And then thirdly, the number three thing that I think is super easy for you to implement right now is to ensure that every single email that goes out, whether it's going from your email platform or from your personal email, and it just depends on what your business email is set up, but you want to have a PS that goes something along the lines of this. When you're ready, here are three ways I can support you right now. And then you list out whatever those are. And this can be a mixture of paid, free content. It could be a lead magnet, whatever, right? You have to decide what that is. And it also depends on the customer journey that you take people on. But those are my top three ways for you to add additional income in the next 30 days. Now, if you want a promotion plan template, let me know, drop something in the comments, and I will get that over to you soon. Otherwise, have an amazing day and I'll chat soon.